in most ordinary homes, a stairwell would be closed off. But with these half log treads, it allows that light to pass through and adds so much more interesting character to the space. There are many beautiful lighting fixtures throughout this home that have nature and wildlife scenes. This in particular, of course, is very fitting for a home that is named the Big Bear Log Home. All of these scenic lighting fixtures that you see were provided from Kiva Lighting. And we also have moose over there, being that there are moose in this area. The use of wall sconces in this space, they're so great for creating just ambient mood lighting. We have incredible views as we're up here. I mean, this is just such a great gathering space. I really like the juxtaposition of small windows with a very large window in the center. I think it offers a lot of great charm. So it looks good from inside the home, and it makes a lot of sense when you're viewing the home from the outside with a gable covered porch that incorporates into this tall wall. We have incredible roof lines in this area. These are inverted valleys, and it's just so dramatic. Let's head in to this bedroom just over here, where we've got a very neat built-in that I think a lot of you will love. It's always fun to do custom spaces and built-ins when you're designing a brand new log or timber home. Now, all the kids love this bed. This is what I'm told is one of the favorite features of this home, as well as so many others. Now, there is a lot of intention that you may not have noticed at first glance. There are USB charging ports in the outlets and even a switch for that lamp above. That's a great reading light at night, and it's dimmable. There's a queen size bed over here and even access to a private balcony. Now, this is where it gets even better. You can leave that door open, and there's a screen just outside that door so you can have wonderful fresh air flowing into the room. What a great way to start the day. It's completely optional, but these homeowners love the idea of using our massive tie beams to span this space. They did this in the other home that they built with Golden Eagle, and they said it's a must-have for this home design as well. So those two large tie beams are a terrific ode to the authentic craftsmanship of your traditional log homes. With today's engineering to create these incredible roof structures, everything is already thought of ahead of time so that it's completely optional. When you walk into this room, we have the grand vaulted ceiling, another private balcony, and in this case, a king-size bed. You also have your private closet just over there. And around the corner, we have a full bathroom. There were a few architectural decisions that were made that took this bathroom to another level. Now, most people would think just cap the ceiling and make it flat. But when you have unique roof structures like this, we can add a lot more volume to the space and also architectural interest. So that's what we've done here. And also incorporating both of these windows and pushing them up a little bit higher allows a lot of great light to flow into here. It's terrific having that ventilation in here when you got a hot shower going, a great way to cool off the space. Of course, we have mechanical ventilation as well. And then look at this countertop. This is a quartz top, intentionally done with a live edge to add more to the rustic charm that we have throughout this home. We've got terrific lighting fixtures in here, more wall sconces. I just love that bear just over there from Kiva Lighting. And then of course, the open shelving, which is essential when it comes to a short-term vacation rental. Because let's think this through. When you're visiting a home, you're gonna have your tote and everything that's in a bag. You're not gonna put it away in drawers, so you're gonna wanna lay it out and have it open and available. But additionally, if you're the homeowners and you're preparing for your guests to arrive, they can now visually see where all the towels are. Here's a great detail that these homeowners considered for their guests. All the light switches are labeled. That way you can be intentional with your selection rather than randomly going through all the switches that are on the wall. This allows you to instantly feel comfortable the moment you arrive at the home because you know your way around. Now let's make our way downstairs because there's still so much more to see.